we making?
Peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. So I'm gonna give you that one to roll up. Okay, Zelda, you ready? You gotta roll a ball for me, okay? All right, you gotta roll a chocolate chip peanut butter ball for me. Go ahead. Roll that up into a little ball. Okay, good job. Hold on, I'll give it to you. We're gonna make sure we do these in proportion.
Wait, do we have to press it down?
Yes, we'll do that last, okay? All right, put this one here. Zelda, you can put yours right here, okay? I'm gonna give you another one to do. Okay. Okay, Zelda, here's another one. Go ahead. Oh, almost dropped it.
We clean up Zelda's room and our room.
Yeah.
And my room.
We'll do a massive big old peanut butter.
Oh God, I want to make one. I want to make an oval.
Okay.
Wait, can we make hearts? Yeah, let's make a heart. So, do you know how to make a heart? Because I know how to make a heart. You just have to smash it, and then you have to roll it, and then you have to make it into a snail like this, and then you have to roll it, and then you have to make a heart.
There you go. Oh, you're good, Zelda.
Can I pick one?
Here, you want to roll this one? Go ahead.
I made a snake.
Oh, okay. All right. Go ahead and put yours right here.
I'm a snake.
All right. Well, we got to make sure it fits.
Hey guys, I'm making cookies. Hey guys. Kind of like a cake.
Maybe which
Kind of like a cake.
Yeah. All right. So let's roll it up real quick. Okay.
is it chocolate peanut butter?
Yep. It's chocolate chip peanut butter cookies. Okay. Come on, girls. I want to put this in the oven. Let's get these last ones rolled out. Okay. We'll just do that real quick. Okay. All right.
Mine's special.
Okay. And then squish these down like so.
Like a waffle.
A waffle waffle. Okay. Like so. Okay. Yeah. You guys excited for when these are done?
Yeah. Wait, can I squish one down?
Here, Zelda, go ahead, squish this one down. Okay, come on, and you. There we go. And then, all right, nicely done. All right, Angelina. Come on, we're gonna squish your special one down.
Wait, I can squish it down.
Okay, not too hard. There you go, perfect. Okay, now turn it. Oh, you're natural. Look at that, amazing job. You guys are chefs, man, master chefs. You guys are my amazing sous chefs.
Look over here, guys. Say cheese. Catch.
Yeah. All right. Now that that's all done, okay, now I need you guys to back up because this oven's very hot. Okay? Back up. Daddy's gonna put the cookies in and set the timer. Okay?
Can I see?
I'll put the light on for you guys, okay? Okay, we'll put the cookies in the oven. And we're gonna set this timer for, we'll say 12 minutes. Okay, and I'll put the light on so you guys can look at the cookies while they bake.